Hey! I'm trying to sleep. Hey, hey, hey! I'm trying to sleep. Can you guys keep it down? Could you guys keep it down for me? Take a chill pill. Everybody just calm down. Shush! 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 What is this chicken? Why is there a chicken with you guys? The chickens have been segregated into this area. Can you believe this? There's no order. No structure. These birds are just doing whatever they want. Hey! Shush! Shush! Silence! Hey! Hey! Hey, shut up! Nope, shut up. Shut up. It's okay, guys. Oh, you guys are the worst. You guys are the worst animals. Best animals right here. Worst animals. This especially. Yeah, it's terrible. This is what you hear when you die and you go to hell. Whatever that is. Whatever that ruckus is. I wish you guys would settle down. Okay. Assholes. Asshole birds.